Hey everyone, my name is Peter. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to grow your fire and water damage restoration business without adding more stress to your plate. We're talking about getting more leads, booking more restoration jobs, and saving time by automating a lot of the day-to-day operations. And stick around until the end because I've got something for you. A free way to try out this system and see how it works for yourself. The biggest challenge in the restoration industry is finding new clients consistently and making sure they follow through with their appointments. You're great at what you do, but running the business side, managing appointments, following up with leads, and keeping track of customers can be overwhelming. That's where this system comes in. It's designed to make your life easier by handling scheduling, follow-ups, and client management automatically, so you can focus on what you do best, restoring properties and helping homeowners get back on their feet. Instead of spending hours on the phone going back and forth with customers to find a time that works, let them book their restoration service online anytime. The system keeps your schedule updated automatically, so there's no risk of double bookings or wasted time. Ever had a customer miss their appointment or forget to follow up? That's lost time and money. With automated appointment reminders via email and text, your clients will always know when their inspection, water extraction, or fire damage cleanup is coming up. You can also send quick updates on job progress, confirmations, or even special promotions to keep them engaged. Ever had a potential customer ask about pricing, service options, or availability, but you were too busy to respond? With a live chat feature on your website, potential customers can get quick answers, which means fewer missed opportunities and more booked jobs. Most businesses lose potential clients simply because they don't follow up. With automation, you can stay top of mind without lifting a finger. The system automatically tracks leads and sends reminders, special offers, and follow-ups, so you turn more leads into paying customers. Reviews build trust. When people see others raving about your work, they're more likely to choose your service. With this system, you can automatically request reviews from happy customers after a restoration job. Make it easy for them to leave. Reviews on Google and social media, and showcase great reviews on your website to attract more customers. Instead of juggling 5 different tools to manage your business, this system connects everything: scheduling, payments, and customer info, all in one place. No more switching between platforms or dealing with unnecessary headaches. And because this system is designed specifically for fire and water damage restoration businesses, it even helps you reconnect with past clients by sending reminders about annual inspections, mold prevention services, and referral offers. That way, you're not always chasing new clients. You're also keeping the ones you already have. You might be thinking this sounds great, but you're not tech savvy. No worries. The setup is simple, with step-by-step guides and templates designed for your industry. Plus, you'll have support every step of the way to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now that you've seen what Funnel Freedom can do, let me show you how easy it is to set it up for your fire and water damage restoration business. You don't need to be a tech expert. Everything is designed to be simple and stress-free. Start by logging into your Funnel Freedom account. Once inside, look for the settings option on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find something called your location ID. Just click the copy button next to it. You'll use this in a moment. Next, choose a pre-built template, or as Funnel Freedom calls it, a snapshot. The fire and water damage restoration business snapshot is specifically designed to help you grow your business. It includes a professional website to showcase your services, email templates to follow up with clients and confirm appointments, and automated text messages to stay in touch with potential customers. Once you've picked the snapshot, it's time to connect everything. Funnel Freedom provides an import form where you'll enter your name and email address, paste your location ID, and copy and paste the snapshot ID for the fire and water damage restoration business snapshot. Then, click Import, and Funnel Freedom will automatically set up your website, funnels, and automations, all in a matter of seconds. After your setup is ready, you can customize it to match your business. Add your logo, business name, and contact details. Update the service descriptions to highlight your offerings, whether it's water extraction, fire damage cleanup, or mold remediation. The email and text message templates are already written for you, but you can adjust them to reflect your unique tone and style. One of the best features of Funnel Freedom is the ability to let your clients book a restoration service directly from your website. Your website will include a built-in calendar where customers can choose a time that works for them. Once they've booked, they'll receive an automated confirmation email with all the details. You'll also get notified so you can be ready for their appointment. No more back and forth phone calls, just a smooth, automated booking process. Here is one example of a simple website for a fire and water damage restoration business. It features a clean layout, a section for customer reviews, and a prominent call to action button for scheduling a service. It includes an automated chat feature to answer common client questions instantly. Once everything looks perfect, just hit publish, and you're live. Your website will be ready to attract new clients, and your funnels will handle handle tasks like follow-ups, appointment reminders, and even collecting customer reviews, all automatically. With Funnel Freedom, you'll have a professional, fully functional marketing system tailored to your fire and water damage restoration business in no time. If you're ready to simplify your business, get more bookings, and grow without the usual headaches, you can start today with a 14-day free trial. Click the link below, get started, and see for yourself why so many fire and water damage restoration business owners are using this system to scale. That's it. Thanks for your time, and I can't wait for you to see how much easier your business can run with this system.